Wait, just small bite, isn't it? Yeah. You miss out on that. Bite the line again.
Is it confirmed yet that the body of the 7-year-old missing?
Yes, it is a boy of a 7-year-old boy who went missing from Lumarbo, Nongra, and all teams are here. CSU, FSL from Nongmutsong, Maudiang Liang, SP's office, special cell, all here in the PO. It is a confirmed case of homicide. We will be registering a case and investigating on the matter.
Was there any mark in his body that points towards being a murder?
Yes, I said this. I said this. All indications of it being a homicide. Postmortem will give a clearer picture of the kind of injury. From then on, we will be able to proceed with our investigation.
How do you see it? Is it a coincidence that two missing case now would want to be done? Is it a coincidence or without anything?
Right now, I cannot see a connection. It could be an isolated case because the accused of the first case has already been ascertained and identified. But nonetheless, we will actually investigate and find out everything into the matter.
Will the SIT investigate into this also?
We will sit down, and this also will warrant the requirement of an SIT because it is a child who's been murdered, and an SIT where many expertise are there, many officers are involved, has always borne fruit. So there's all likelihood of an SIT being formed.
How would you view this incident has created concerns among citizens? How do you view this situation?
See, it is a matter of concern. It pains all of us, and from such incidents, we should draw lessons that we should number one, children have to be looked after upon, monitored. Number two is that we should take precautionary measures of having CCTVs, lighting in the area, children loitering around. Somebody should, be it from local stakeholders or anybody, should actually see that a child actually is moving around, inform 112, which is our emergency number, so that we can take necessary action, take them to Childline and all that, identify the parents or guardians.
One last question, during your family's function, was the murder committed in here only, or the body was done?
We can't say, but by the look of it, I think the body was placed out here only. Thank you.
Thank you.